to coast the cruise.
Oh my God, that was so much fun!
Alright, welcome everyone. This is Randall, Captain Awesome from back in the day, if you remember. And I am here in Abu Dhabi at Ferrari World. Yep, world's largest indoor theme park just got here, so I'm gonna go take a look and hope y'all enjoy. So here's the entrance to Ferrari World. It's about to open up here. Let's see what's going on up here. Tickets over there.
Okay, let's hear what he's got to say. Khalil, what's happening? Now, okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, he's very excited that I bring out his very good and close friend. Now, he's from all the way in Italy, Maranello. You might know him. Ladies and gentlemen, calling upon our very own mechanic extraordinaire, cute and cuddly, adorable Berto the Bear. Guys, you can clap to the beat. You can clap to the beat and dance it up. Come on, guys, loosen up. This is Ferrari World. Clap to the beat. Sit down. Yeah. You gotta laugh, Berto. Go, Berto, go. That's the move. Now these two guys here, I'm the best of friends. Second, look at that. What are they doing? Playing cricket? I don't know what's going on. Berto, Sian, good morning. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team Italy wants the first World Cup. Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. See you right here.
Alright, so here's a look around inside here in Ferrari World. And one of the main plazas over here. Turn around. Ferrari. Of course, it's looking at the sign for Formula Rossa. World's fastest roller coaster just got off, and man, is it a rush. The initial launch makes you just feel like you're leaving your body behind.
One, let's go. Go. Faster, guys. Those fast you can. Press it in. Go. Come on, as fast as you can. Chalo. Finish. Oh, guys. President.
So I think this is pretty cool. It's a little, you can drive these cars around the track, so you can't really drive them. But there's some nice little theming here. It's like driving through the Italian countryside. Got some mountains. Up on the other side I saw the Colosseum. Kind of see it right there. There we go. So yeah, this is pretty nice. Got a nice little lake water stuff. Let's see, driving the car. Alright, here we have the entrance to the second roller coaster. Some may argue third, since it is a racing roller coaster here at Ferrari World. It's a nice little coaster. It has about 4 launches. Not good speed. It reminds me how much S-curves hurt when they are not banked. So that's it. Yep, good ride, good little ride. Just like any good theme park, you're going to have your midway games. There you go. You got instead of catch the duck, it's catch the car right there. Ring toss, water races, you know, the normal. Right past the midway games, you have this ride, Speed of Magic. You chase the little guy over there, try to get the keys to the Ferrari. It's basically Dark Castle without the special effects. So this is cool. This is just a little couple Ferrari collections that they have in here. Dutch.
Yeah.
So a Ferrari 330 GTC. So, there, got another one. Nice. Got some more stuff over here. A couple little neat facts and interesting. Certificate of authenticity. So some neat stuff around here. Fire suit. Back to that one. Well, that's going to do it for my day here at Ferrari World. Got my obligatory shot glasses, souvenirs. So hope y'all guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow us. You go YouTube, Facebook, coastercrew.net, Twitter. You can find us. Alright guys, see you.